Screen resolution problem Windows 10. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, open your device manager, and you can do that by going to your search bar right here and typing device manager. Once you're here, find out which driver that you're using. So if it says Microsoft Basic Driver, right click on that and then click on Update Driver and then click on Search Automatically for Driver. So next thing you can do is go to Display Settings and do that by going to your search bar and typing Display Settings. So click on Display Settings here, then click on Advanced Scaling Settings. So make sure this Let Windows Try to Fix Apps so they're not blurry is turned on. If this still doesn't work, go to Advanced Display Settings at the bottom here. And if you're able to change the refresh rate, choose the one that is suitable for your window. So if this still doesn't work, come back to your device manager and then right click on your display adapter, go to Properties, click on Driver, and if the problem arises once you have updated the driver, click on Rollback Driver. So this will roll back to the previously installed driver. If the problem didn't arise once you change the driver, go ahead and click on Update Driver. So if this still doesn't work, come back to your display settings and then come down to your resolution and click on this arrow button. Select the one that is recommended. So this is how to fix screen resolution problem in Windows 10. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.